Hey, let's look at the promise.all method. I find this useful when working on applications with multiple API requests, and it helps a lot with loading screens. So if you can see on the left here, I have 3 different promises or requests, and they all give me back some data, but I don't want to take my loading screen away until they've all resolved and I have all the data I need. So what the promise.all method does is take all 3 promises and pack them into one larger promise, and then the following line will only execute once all 3 of these promises have resolved. If you know your way around JavaScript, you can see that this isn't actually a fetch request, but it's just a 10-second timer to kind of show what's going on here. So you can see when I refresh here, we're going to get this promise and this promise that have been resolved already, and now we're just waiting on my 10-second timer to finish, and it will finally resolve and show done after all 3 of these calls, including the 10-second timer, have been completed and we have all of our data. That's about it. I've linked the documentation in the description, and thanks for watching.